Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. In this video let me show you how to factory reset the new iPhone 17, 17 Pro or 17 Air. So it's a very simple and intuitive process. First you need to go to settings. In here scroll down and go to general and scroll all the way down and look for the option transfer or reset iPhone. So just tap there. In here you have two options. One is to reset the iPhone, which will not erase anything, it will just reset the phone, and the second option is to erase all content and settings. So that's what we are looking for. So once you erase all the content and settings, it will bring the phone back to the factory settings. So let's go ahead and erase all content and settings. Just tap here. Erasing will sign out of your Apple account or remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded or given away. The following items will be safely removed from this iPhone, which includes apps and data amounting to 19 GB and Apple account and Find My activation lock. So just tap continue here. So are you sure if you want to erase all media content and settings and this cannot be undone? Yes, just tap erase iPhone. And you need to provide your passcode of this iPhone if you have already one, and it's uploading the data to iCloud. So if you don't want the data to be uploaded to iCloud, just escape. So here you need to provide your Apple account password, so that way this iPhone will be turned off from Find My activation lock. So just provide the password here. After providing the password, just tap turn off. Then this prompt will appear on the screen, finish setting up iPhone. Just tap OK. So that's it. At this point you cannot go back. Your iPhone will start erasing all the content in your phone. So you will see this black screen with Apple logo and the progress bar, and once everything is completed, your phone will be back to the welcome screen. So that's it guys, that's how you factory reset the iPhone. Now it's like a new phone. All your data and the activation lock have been removed from this phone. Now you can just swipe up and set it up as a new iPhone. I have also linked my video here and in the description on how to set up an iPhone for the first time. If you want guidance, just check out that video. Thank you very much for stopping by, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next video.